Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain contracts and contract reconciliation. Contracts are used to uniquely identify the funding contract between the training authority and the RTO. The contract reconciliation feature allows you to cross-reference a payment summary from your funding body with a list of payments due in aXcelerate. You're then able to easily add these items to an invoice and record payment in aXcelerate. To use contract reconciliation, contracts and contract schedules will need to be set up with finance codes and unit payments. To begin, mouse over Courses and select Contracts. Choose Add New Contract. The contract code is the identifier that is used for EVETMIS reporting. If a master schedule code is specified, this value will then be used in EVETMIS reports in place of the individual schedule code. The schedule code will then only be used as an internal identifier. The following field allows you to set a description for your contact. You can also set start and end dates if you wish. You'll need to specify the reporting state and a contact for the contract to use contract reconciliation. Go ahead and choose Submit, and you'll see our newly created contract below. Update the contract, and you'll notice a Schedules section appears underneath the original form. Update the default schedule. We now have to set a schedule code and a finance code. In the payment information section, we can specify how payments should be calculated. The easiest way to do this is via the Import Defaults button. Click this button, ensure Default is selected in the drop-down, and then click Apply. Note this may not be available, depending on which state your contract is for. You will still need to enter your payment amount in this field. Feel free to make any other changes after importing. Otherwise, go ahead and choose Submit. I'm now going to demonstrate how to apply this contract to enrollments. I'm here on my dummy enrollment, which has a range of outcomes. I'm going to apply the contract via the selector underneath the Units table. I can also do this in bulk from the class matrix by mousing over Bulk Actions and selecting Bulk Set Contracts. Select the contract and schedule, then the units or students to apply them to. We're now ready to use the contract reconciliation feature. Mouse over the Finance tab and select Contract Reconciliation. If this option is not available, you'll need to contact aXcelerate to have this feature enabled. This page allows you to filter search results based on contract, schedule, and dates. It's generally recommended that you complete contract reconciliation when you receive the payments from the government. When searching for contracts due, this will usually be the previous month. I'm going to leave the dates blank for demonstration purposes. After clicking Submit, the results should appear for enrollment items which are due to be invoiced. You can select them via the checkboxes towards the right of the table. You can do this in bulk for all items at once at the very top, or for individual enrollments via the bolded table rows. If you've already added a payment in aXcelerate, you can search for it via the button over here on the right. You can then automatically apply it to the invoice via the first checkbox. The second checkbox will completely finalize the invoice, preventing any further changes. Once ready, choose Create Invoice. In summary, this video has demonstrated how to use contracts and the contract reconciliation feature.